Are you looking for the best corded circular saw? In this video, we will break down the top 4 corded circular saw. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DEWALT Circular Saw. With such great options available, it's difficult to pick a single best corded circular saw, but the DEWALT offers both keen DIY enthusiasts and professionals just about everything they need. There is also the brand's high standards of precision, durability, and reliability. The 15-amp motor provides the basis for a powerful 7 1/4 inch tool. Maximum depth of cut is 2 9/16 inches. Bevel angle is up to 57 degrees, with detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Both are tool-free lever-operated. At 8.8 pounds, the DEWALT Circular Saw is one of the lightest tools in its class. One of the lightest circular saws in its class. A dust blower is a useful addition, and ball bearings make for smooth guard operation. The supplied blade is an 18-tooth model, which offers fast and aggressive cutting but is perhaps a bit coarse for sheet work. A 24-tooth version is an affordable addition. At number 2. Bosch GKS18V-25GCB14. This equipped with a standard 7.25-inch blade and an 8Ah battery and weighing 11.6 pounds, it's a nimble cutter by itself. But the good news gets better, it has an aluminum accessory track, no special shoe or mounting hardware required. Lay the track on the board or plywood and slide this Bosch down it like a locomotive riding the rails. The resulting rip or crosscut is table saw accurate. To control cutting depth, the GKS18V-25GC14 has a thumb latch right above the trigger. Move the latch forward and press down, and the saw's shoe drops. To fine-tune the shoe's position, simply hold it with one hand while pressing down on the latch. When the shoe is where you want it, release the latch. And the amount of blade exposure below the shoe is right where you need it. At number 3. Makita 5007 mg. The Makita 5007 mg circular saw also comes with one of the best blades, a 7 1/4 inch premium ultra-coated framing blade complete with carbide tips, so it can power through even nail-embedded wood with ease. Between the high-end blade and powerful motor, the Makita 5007 mg can easily tackle a wide range of work, whether it involves dense structural panels or framing walls, floors, and roofs in a range of dimensional lumber. From highly durable magnesium components to a powerful 15-amp industrial motor, this circular saw creates clean cuts while also being lightweight enough to prevent aching wrists on long jobs. It has features you'll often find on other saws, like a built-in dust blower, as well as nice-to-haves like built-in LED lights to illuminate the line of cut. At number 4. SKIL 5280-2001 Circular Saw. The SKIL 5280-2001 circular saw is one of the quality and best corded circular saws you will find on the market. It is ergonomically designed and made with a tough outer casing. The product is lightweight in its overall design, coming in at about 6.95 pounds. This weight makes it simple to carry around and use when multiple cuts. Within the pack you will find a 7 1/4 inch carbide tipped blade, the circular saw itself, and a carry-on bag. This SKIL 5280 corded circular saw is capable of providing a depth cut of up to 2 3/8 inches. This creates a sense that if too much pressure is applied it could break. So it's probably good for thin pieces of wood like plywood. With that being said, it is able to provide a bevel of 51 degrees with an arbor size of 5.8 inches and a total cord length of about 6 feet. Furthermore, the SKIL 5280-2001 circular saw is easy to carry and simple to use, with a light indicator giving the user a visual key that the machine is operational. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.